Hey y'all, so let's unbox my iPhone 17 Pro. So I originally ordered the 256 gigabyte, but that wasn't enough space. So I said, let me send this back and let me get the 512 gigabytes. So yeah, I traded it in and got the 512 gigabyte. So let's unbox it. I wasn't planning on getting this phone because I didn't like the way it looked, but eventually I gave in and ordered it. So here I'm just trying to put my screen protector on. This part right here really stressed me out, so this is all the footage I got. So bye.